Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegib.com, link in the description below. Title: Convert JSON to CSV in Python using GitHub library. Introduction. In this tutorial, we will explore how to convert JSON data to CSV format in Python using a popular library available on GitHub. The library we'll use is called JSON2CSV, a powerful tool that simplifies the process of transforming JSON objects into CSV files. This tutorial will guide you through the installation, usage, and provide a practical code example. Firstly, let's install the JSON2CSV library. Open your terminal or command prompt and run the following command. Now, let's create a Python script to demonstrate how to use the JSON2CSV library. Open your code editor and create a new file, for example, JSON_2CSV_converter.py. In your script, import the necessary modules. Assume you have a JSON file named input_data.json. Read the JSON data into a Python variable. Use the JSON2CSV library to convert the JSON data to CSV. Now, save the CSV data to a file, for example, output_data.csv. Your final script should look like this.